Okay po, for the 4PH program naman po is the Pambansang Pabahay para sa Filipino Housing Program po ng ating government po. Marami na po ang nagtatanong about the 4PH program. So let me explain it po clearly and simply po. Ang 4PH po stands for Pambansang Pabahay para sa Filipino Housing Program po. Ito po ay housing program ng Philippine government under the Department of Human Settlements and Urban Development or DSUD. Ano po ang goal nito? Ang goal po nito is makapagpatayo ng 6 million housing units po para sa mga Pilipino po. No, what is 4PH po? Basically po, ang 4PH ay government housing program na nagbibigay ng affordable housing, long-term payment terms, lower monthly amortization, and access po sa pag-ibig financing. Ito po ay para sa mga Pilipino na gustong magkaroon ng sariling bahay pero nahihirapan sa mga matataas na down payment and matataas na monthly amortization po. So, paano po ba ito gumagana or how does it work po? Ganito po kasimple yung flow po niya. First is you apply po ng housing project po under 4PH program po. No, yung the project is government supported po. Financing po usually through Pag-ibig Fund and the monthly amortization po is extended up to 30 years po. No? Because it is government supported po, mas manageable po yung payment terms po natin. No? So, sino po ba yung pwedeng mag-apply po pagdating sa 4PH program po? No? Hindi po siya para lang sa mga sa low-income families po. Pwede po siya sa locally employed, OFWs, self-employed po, members po ng Pag-ibig Fund. No, important po na active po kayo na Pag-ibig contributor po kayo kasi po doon po nagbabase yung 4PH program po. No, most 4PH programs po is Pag-ibig financing po. Ang advantage po nito, lower interest rates, longer payment terms, and possible interest subsidies po. Mas mababa ang monthly amortization compared sa traditional bank financing po. Ang basic requirements po include proof of income, valid IDs, proof of billing, civil status documents, basic housing loan requirements, pero government supported project po siya. No? Bakit po important po na malaman po ninyo yung 4PH? No? Ang 4PH po is very important kasi po ina-address po niya yung housing backlog ng mga Pilipino, and also tinutulungan po niya na magkaroon ng home ownership po na mas madali para sa mga Pilipino, and also sinusuportahan niya po yung mga middle income and low income families. Hindi lang po siya project, no, basta ito po is long-term housing solution po. No? And important note po, no, hindi lahat ng housing projects is automatic under 4PH po. May mga specific developers lang po and projects na pwede din under the 4PH program. So, lagi niyo pong tatanungin if the project is part of 4PH and what financing applies po. No? Ano po yung mga actual payment terms kasi hindi po lahat ng pabahay is under ng 4PH po. If you're planning po to buy a home and you're hearing about 4PH po, it is very good opportunity po, especially if you qualify under Pag-ibig financing. But always make sure po na understand po na yung total contract price, down payment structures, monthly amortization. If you want po, I can also help explain how 4PH compares to regular bank financing para po mas makapag-decide po kayo properly. Alright po, if you have questions po, don't hesitate to reach out. Buying a home is a big decision and we're here to guide you by step. If you have questions po, no, don't hesitate to reach out. Buying a home is a big decision and we're here to guide you step by step. Hindi po kayo iiwan no, sa process po from inquiry, reservation, documentation hanggang po sa ma-turn over po yung unit sa inyo. If you're interested po or gusto nyo pong magpa-compute, message us directly on our Facebook page po. Just send us your preferred unit, budget range, employment type, and we'll prepare a customized computation for you po. And again, we thank you for watching and we're excited to help you secure your future home. Message us now on our Facebook page for more housing inquiries. We're ready to